The Frog Off, Part 4. There can be only one. Oh, woe is me! I'm blind from the syrup!
Don't worry, Stiletto. We shall cure your blindness with technology.
Yes, I'll do anything! Tell me!
Take these Illuminati glasses. They will interface with your brain and help you see again.
Yes, help me! Oh, no, I feel strange. I will listen to your commands. I feel like we are one brain.
Good. We shall now destroy all the frogs. And, me malfunction. I am feet.
Oh dear, what happened?
Oh, I wrote a computer virus while you were eating your flies.
Oh, great job, Penfield. That's really so good AI character.